Every millionaire shares a key trait: mastering silent money moves. It's not about flashy displays, but understanding core financial principles. These individuals prioritize long-term growth and focus on building a solid foundation for lasting wealth and financial security. In this video, discover how small, consistent actions transform your finances without loud success or risky gambles. We will explore how to cultivate habits that quietly build your wealth over time, leading to financial independence. From understanding money psychology to building wealth through discipline, patience, and a well-thought-out strategy, these are the moves that separate lasting wealth from temporary gains. It's crucial to focus on making informed decisions. Stay until the end, because the final principle reveals the hidden rule the rich live by, but never talk about openly. Understanding this principle unlocks your own path to wealth and financial freedom.